Hey guys, so we got the Xtra Edge. This is comparable to the DJI Action 4. And what I am going to be doing is taking this and showing you that it pairs up perfectly with a lot of the equipment that is designed for the action cams. This is a small rig cage that fits in perfectly. As you can see right there. Protects your device perfectly fine. And now what we're going to do, we're going to pair this by putting this microphone into the cold shoe. We're going to pair this up with the Rode Go series microphone. And then we're going to go outside and actually shoot it on the action cam. Let me see. Selfie stick. As you can see, everything pairs up great. We're good. So let's go outside, shoot some video footage so you can actually see what the Edge Xtra is capable of. All right, so here we go. We're actually outside walking around, extremely windy day. I've got a cold front moving in, and I'm using the Rode Go series microphones coupled up with the Action Edge action camera, or not action, the Xtra Edge action camera. Basically to show you guys that vlogging cameras like this are perfect for just going out and telling your story. So yeah, you can see right now the wind is blowing, trees are moving. Everything sounds great. The audio quality is great on these. The video footage is amazing. We're actually shooting at 24 frames per second using the internal stabilization. So I can move this thing around real quick and we get good footage. So let's go over here and check this out. Alrighty, so these are chickens. Hello, chickens. I'm bringing you in here so you can actually kind of get an idea of how well this camera works in any type of setting. There goes the chickens. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go out of the chicken pen. They weren't too happy about having a camera in their face. But anyways, Xtra Edge. If you're looking for a good quality camera, I definitely do recommend this one. I have put it up against all of the other action cameras that I own. I'm not going to say their names due to copyright reasons. However, they work amazing. Been in contact with the sellers at Xtra, and they're a great bunch of people. I think majority of us know what is going on with this camera, why we have this camera now, but definitely highly recommended, especially if you are wanting to get into vlogging, because this is a camera that's going to allow you to do that 4K quality. It's going to allow you to shoot in the 24 frames per second. It's going to allow you to shoot in 120 for the slow motion. It is also waterproof, just like the other cameras. You can drop this guy down in some water, get you some good action shots at the beach, swimming, doing all kinds of stuff. So yeah, definitely highly recommended. And with that, it's getting a little windy out here. You can see the trees moving. I'm gonna run inside. So actually, now that we are inside, it enabled low light function, which is another function that you're going to get with this. And as you can see, aquaponics system all set up, fresh veggies. So indoors, outdoors, it doesn't matter, pretty much wherever you are. The Edge Xtra is going to be an amazing camera for you to do your vlogging and tell your story. So that's all I got for today. There you go, guys.